If you are searching for SEO reseller services, that probably means you're either offering them as a provider, or you are looking for a provider. You're looking to sell these third party. The reason that we encourage both types of businesses to reach out is that our partnership is revenue sharing and dual purpose. So it works both ways. We encourage you to reach out because we work with SEO resellers to help them strengthen their network of referral partners. We also help web design companies and ad agencies to fulfill services for their clients and to receive a revenue share and create residual income. So whatever side of the equation you're on, we'd love to work with you. Please reach out. SEO Leads will connect you with the right partner, and we'd love to start off by just having a short meeting and a consultation. Hope this helps, and have a great day.